Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have an unusual video. We will have unboxing my AliExpress packages. I have, wow, so many of them. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start from the smallest package. What's inside? I guess I know it. Wow, that's very nice. That's a DIY set for my elder daughter, and I will show it to you. It's so beautiful. That's a bag like this. It's a Christmas gift for her. Okay, see? So nice. She will make toys from that. She was dreaming about this set because she needed so many colors of this wool. I like this set. It looks festive. Okay, it's the first package. Let's go to the next one. There are so many packages. There are 3 packages inside. Okay, let's start from this one. Okay, what is it? It's very nice. Think useful for my food preparations. But okay, see, that's a tray, silicone tray to make small sausages like bigger, and this bear shape is nice for little kids. See? Wow. It doesn't have this AliExpress smell. No, it's the good quality. I like it. It's nice. Okay, open the next one. I thought it should be bigger. It's also freezer tray. It's silicone on the bottom, but it's plastic in the top. There are 2 of them, but I thought it should be bigger. Okay, I guess it's okay for sauces, to make in like chicken broth for sauces, to freeze it, but I don't know. I know, I can make minced garlic here. I think that's a good idea. Okay, let it be like this. But I'm kind of disappointed about that because I thought it's a big, like this. I expected shape like this, but thanks God this one is okay. Okay, this one, it's also, the smell is okay. It's a silicone shape for soups, for example. It's not as big as I expected as well, but it's okay. See? And with the cover, nice. Okay. My freezer things. Okay, I have a big package now. I have so many things here. Okay, I have vacuum bags here because I'm run out of mine. Okay, 2 big one and 2 medium one. Now what is that? Okay, it's okay. I want to put my all Ziploc bags here because they're in the boxes now and I don't like how it looks. And here I will put all my Ziploc bags, and it's white and wooden color and it looks very nice. What else do I have here? I have silicone muffin shapes. It's very nice, like this. See, I have how many? 12. 6 blue one, 6 purple one. Very nice. And the last thing here, it's bottles for liquid soap and for dishwashing soap. That looks okay, I think. But they have a see, that's good. So it's written hand and dish, and I will put it here. See, so cute, I love it. Okay, that's all my packages. Write me in the comments if you like such videos, because I love to unpacking and unboxing all my packages, and if you like it as well, I will do it more often. And if you want, I will leave the links for these goods on AliExpress. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. I will show how I use it in my food preps. I will make new recipes, new ideas. And remember, keep your freezer full and it will save you time. Okay, bye!